Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today's Sunday. I am currently in Houston, Texas. I am currently on my way to one of my friend's house, Marcos Delvalle. You probably guys seen his Corolla in Instagram or Facebook or you name it, in YouTube. So I'll put his link in the description below, his channel. Give a thumbs up, and I'm on my way to go meet him, go visit him for a little bit. But I'm gonna get a surprise for my Corolla from his car, something that he removed, and I got good use for it. So I'll see you then. Well guys, I just have arrived to DelvalleXrs house in Instagram. Like I said, I'll put his description below. And his son, what's your name? You always change it, brother.
Just a Corolla.
Oh, it's just a Corolla. It's just a Corolla on Instagram.
Corolla.
I'll put his description below.
Yeah.
So, what are you doing, brother?
Here we are installing the Yamaha decal that my friend here brought me. As you guys know, we gotta represent the Yamaha.
Yeah.
We gotta let it sit there a little bit, take the.
Yeah. Cool. Ese papel es una chavienda, papá.
No, y también está frío el baño,
sí.
eso que...
What?
Oh, dude, y'all taking my car?
You know it.
I'm gonna go for a spin. I'm gonna just stay out here and watch.
Right in the back.
Yeah, alright, let me go sit back. You see, like, the intake sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Hey, close the door, you know nuts. Mira, like for real, such an nene. You wanted to send us to jail?
Se siente nítido.
Pero es que mientras más revoluciona, más se siente
el jalón, sí, es como sigue. Muchacho. Si esto lo tuvieran para cuando tuviéramos los primeros que tuvimos. Vamos allá. Ahora sí corre.
En verdad que sí, como te digo, la diferencia de fabriquita, eso fui yo ya, las dos. Y salió de las dos, ¿viste?
Ajá.
So, no sé qué...
Nítido.
Ya no hay...
Man, it feels so good. Gustavo, you're the man. No, de verdad. Car feels awesome. Awesome. He just keeps pulling.
Coming for more soon. I still got no header. Still running on factory header.
Still no header, factory header?
that's gonna get put on hopefully next weekend. We'll see.
Nice.
And we'll try it again.
What kind of header?
It's just a DC Sport, K20 DC Sport.
Oh, okay.
We'll see how that one does. If not, we might get the reseller from R9K. So
Oh, okay.
that's the
Yeah.
plan. We'll see.
Yeah. Nice.
Dura todo el
Pero gracias. Thanks for the
joyride.
joyride. It's just a Corolla, right?
It's just a Corolla.
And it is.
That's all it is, man. It's just a Corolla, man. For all them people that don't want to race it. It's just a Corolla. You don't have to be scared of it.
Yeah. Man, it looks just like the first one.
Yeah.
It's just something about the Corollas.
Yeah, that's it, man.